Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find the best for freelancers by comparing TaxAct and FreeTaxUSA in 2025. If you're looking for the best for freelancers in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. TaxAct's Deduction Maximizer tool can suggest deduction options based on your situation. It has multiple plans like Free, Deluxe, Premier, Self-employed. If you're penalized because of a mistake TaxAct made, the company will not only refund the cost of your software and pay the difference in your tax bill, it will reimburse any penalties or interest and cover legal or audit fees up to $100,000. There are many plus points, like it is more affordable than other paid software programs. Accuracy guarantee covers legal fees up to $100,000. All plans come with live support from tax experts. Free tier can process both federal and state returns, but the returns with freelance or investment income don't qualify for free plan, and it doesn't offer tax refund advance loan. FreeTaxUSA allows you to file federal returns for free regardless of your tax situation, including self-employment income, rental properties, and retirement distributions. State filings do cost, however. Filers can buy identity theft protection and audit support from tax experts. If you've fallen behind in your filings, it also offers debt relief consultation. The federal filing is free for most tax situations, maximum refund and accuracy guarantees, and the state filing is only $14.99. But the access to Tax Pro, phone support, and screen share only available with top-tier Pro support plan, and you can't import 1099s. So you have to manually enter the information through that basic one-on-one comparison. You can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.